Now for our feature story of the day. Hardcore bullish Bitcoin tweet comes from Bitcoin bull, the one and only Jan 3 Samson Mow, projecting the catalyst that will send Bitcoin to $1 million per coin. In fact, there's 4 catalysts he believes that are uber bullish right now. So let's break this down, and shout out to Samson Mow. I'm a fan. I like Samson. Check him out. The one and only Bitcoin Super Saiyan. Jan 3 CEO, representing nation adoption around the world. You know, in nation states, he was recently with like the Prime Minister of Japan, making big moves. So yeah, now Samson Mow shared a short video with his brief participation, which reminds the community there are only 21 million Bitcoins that can ever be in existence, unlike Ethereum, which has an infinite supply. Crazy how that is. This makes Bitcoin scarcer than gold and silver. Want to know why? You can continuously always discover more gold or silver in the earth. All you got to do is invest more resources into finding it. So you can say gold and silver may be relatively scarce. Bitcoin has true scarcity. There's never been a form of money in existence of humankind with true scarcity, yo. Now, Bitcoin is the hardest asset on the planet. That's the tweet. And that's the fact. It absolutely is because of the scarcity. I mean, run the math. Earlier this year, Samson Mow, multiple times stress, in which I have covered multiple times in the pod, Bitcoin scarcity as a major factor that is likely to drive the Bitcoin price to the record level of $1 million per coin. We call this the Bitcoin Super Saiyan gang, HODL gang. Where you at? The other triggers, which are already in play, according to Jan 3's boss of all bosses, are the spot Bitcoin ETFs scooping up the massive amounts of this asset, and the halving that took place April 19th, which we ushered in live right here in the stream. We made history. How many of you were tuned in? And after that event, that was April 19th, by the way, Bitcoin block rewards dropped from 6.25 to 3.125 of the BTC. Meanwhile, Samson believed that a moment will come. Here are the catalysts. When the supply shock caused by the halving and the demand shock gradually triggered by the ETFs, those are the 4 catalysts, are bound to clash just like that and push the biddy price to $1 million per coin. Can you smell what the rock is cooking? Let me know. On Friday, Samson Mow supported his former boss and Satoshi Nakamoto associate, the one and only CEO of Blockstream, Adam Back. Want to know what's mind-boggling? People don't even know Adam Back. He only has like 500,000 followers. He's one of the heads responsible for creating Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, who tweeted that he was ready for the Uptober. My question for you, are you ready for the Uptober? Are you ready for the full send? Holler. Now, historically, Uptober has been a bullish month, hence Uptober, along with November. We call that Upvember. And with the Santa Claus rally in December, Santa, I need a new pair of shoes. With the trading community, it's known as the Uptober. Tell me something I don't know article. When leading assets in both crypto and conventional markets go up in prices. Several recent developments are hinting that Uptober could actually be imminent. I agree. The first one took place last week on a Wednesday when Fed Chairman Jay Powell announced a slash of the interest rates by 50 basis points, which is a 0.5 percentage point. This was for the first time in 4 years. Then the Chinese central bank followed suit. Copycats, I tell ya. Another bullish driver is that on Friday, the co-founder and former CEO, Binance CEO, Changpeng Zhao, CZ, my homie, was released after a 4-month term in prison. Many believe that this is likely to drive Bitcoin and the Bitcoin prices up. He's just in time for the bull. Today, he posted his first tweet in 4 months saying good morning. And what a great morning it was. That was actually the other day. So shout out CZ. Good to have you free, brother. I don't think you belonged in prison. And I guess because you paid the $4.3 billion fine to the Department of Justice, they just let you go.